So I saw this board in the lobby and I thought, that's really freaking cool and I want to make my own board. So I'm gonna grab my own skateboard, I'm gonna engrave a design on it, but I also want to gift it to someone who will actually skate it and enjoy it. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm super excited too. So this is my best friend Cole. He has not seen the final product. He doesn't really know what it is, and I kind of just went with what he likes in general. So if you don't like it, you like it?
Yeah, the grip's like really insane to do that.
Woo! So you have your Mind Flayer and you have your Wizard and all your favorite things. So now you gotta build it.
Okay.
You're gonna build this board.
That's so detailed.
Let's do it. Woo!
I've never done this.
It was really hot that day, but we had a lot of fun building it. We had a lot of fun shooting it, and he really loved the board in general. We engraved that board on the PS36, and you can find more information on our machines and our lasers and what they do at fslaser.com.